So here's Isabelle, or Izzy for short. Hello, Izzy. Good girl. So when I first saw her in the basket, I thought she was going to be a big Siberian pussycat, because she's got that sort of a coat, isn't she? Hey? But isn't she beautiful, markings?
Lovely. Look at you, dear.
So she's got this enormous coat. Not quite as big as the Sibes. I didn't think so, but you can see from here she's quite fluffy. She is really sort of got all this, what I call like fluff. On the phone, her mum said she's a massive fluffy cat. So it's just a case of the correct grooming. Her mum does groomer, but it's just doing the correct style of grooming to get rid of this fluffiness. So if you saw the video the other day on Zeus, it's the same sort of process that I'm going to go through. It's thinning out the coat here, and she's actually going to have a bum clip as well, because when she comes in she does have a few things stuck behind her. So we're going to do a trim behind there, down the trousers, and then just a really, really good thin out. So I have just started while she was with us for a few minutes. You can see what's come off her already. So it is just going through her. She's got the odd little mat near the back. Nothing too bad at all. The coat is very thick and it's on the dry side. So she just needs the oils coming through. So we're going to put the Zoom Groom all over her as well. Get this dead stuff away from her. Hey, see what's coming away. And she'll feel so much better, won't you, Boo? Hey, you real. You're a good girlie.
There's loads of dead hair.
There's a lot, yeah. So it's just a case of, doing the section at a time. Getting underneath, starting out at the part line so that you can get under and go through. And then let another little bit go. That's good, girlie, lying down for me. That's nice. Good girl. So I'm actually going to put a bit of oatmeal into her coat as I go along, just to help, because it is very dry. And again, all the links to everything I use and under the description of each video. Good girl. There we go. A little bit at a time. You're a good girl, aren't you? And we just keep going and going and going, don't we, Iz? Hey?
You get a lot off this one.
There will be a lot of her. And then we'll finish off with the Zoom Groom to try and get her own natural oils through her coat, just to get her feeling nice and silky. She's a bit on the dry side. She's got a bit of dandruff coming through here as well. It's the usual areas. Yeah. It's always this back end. And it's where most cats are not keen on letting you mess about with them very much. But I mean, she's being well behaved here. Not naughty there, not just fluff.
Catch up
Just
with her later.
fluff, isn't it, hey? Yeah, we'll catch up, we'll do a bit on the other side in a minute. And then You can carry on filming then. So we started on this side with Izzy. So comb started to go through her. I just wanted to show you the bits here. So all these really wispy bits that the comb sometimes misses, you can just get them with your finger and thumb and just give them a little pull. They're already loosened with the combing anyway. You can just do a little pull and it just tidies them up. Oh dear, oh dear, it says. So we're going in here, parting the hair, in with the comb, and down we go. You're a good girl. She's enjoying this fan at the moment. Got the fan on because it's so warm. So she's sitting facing it, aren't you? Hey? Enjoying it, aren't you? Hey? So fur up, little part line, and in we go. And once you're happy, no knots, next little section, in we go. See, that's pulling a little bit there. We'll just tease for a little bit. Something coming away there. There you go, that's come out. Woo. Good girl. And then we just carry on. Next little bit. And we're just doing literally a little section at a time until you're happy that the comb goes through and there's no knots there. And you're also helping the natural oils come through the coat as well, because she is on the dry side, so she needs some help with her coat. And again, what we'll do, the wonders here as well, will be the Zoom Groom when we finish and we put the Zoom Groom over her. That will really help. But already she's feeling softer, aren't you? Hey? It's so quick how you can get her sort of a, you know, a cat's coat back when they've got all this fluff. So again, lots of fluff just here, been loosened with the comb. I can just do a couple of little pull outs there, just to tidy up that line. Oh, really wispy. Doesn't help with the fan on. There's fur flying everywhere. Isn't there? Hey? Right. Yes, madam.
That's one way of doing it, Nita.
Oh, okay. Okay. So she's facing the fan, having a little cuddle, while we just put the Zoom Groom over her. But look, I mean, can't believe what's still coming out of her.
Yeah.
I think she's got one of those coats that if I stayed here all day and just kept grooming and grooming and grooming, we'd still be getting fluff out of her. But at least she's had a good thin out now. That horrible, you know what I say, that real big fluffy stuff that she had here is gone. So it's just now a case of her mum keeping on top of it for her. So mum's going to go and buy a molten comb and a Zoom Groom.
Trying to escape.
And use that on her.
She wants off.
Look, look at this. Izzy, look at all this fluff still coming off you. Hey. Let's get rid of that off your face. You're covered in fluff on your face, look. You alright there? Hey? You alright there, Iz? You enjoying that little shoulder rub? Hey? Oh, she's lovely, don't you? She's lovely. She is. Oh, She says, I like that breeze. Keep turning towards the breeze.
All right, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Very okay.